welcome to the channel. If you're new, if it is your first time seeing my face, don't let it be your last time. Make sure you go ahead and like this video. It's not going to be a long drawn out one. Again, happy New Year's to y'all. Hope everybody is well. Your girl just got over for the second time. Y'all know, well, some of y'all might know we're not allowed to say the word on YouTube. So yeah, your girl just getting herself back together. And I also just turned 28 a few days ago, so you know, I'm getting up there. But anyways, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more of my uploads. And also follow me on Instagram. So with that being said, I'm gonna get straight. In case y'all was wondering, yes, we are in my closet. We are in the closet today. We are in the closet. Why are we in the closet? Because one, I just got out the shower and I don't know, for some reason it was just really hot to me, and normally the closet is the opposite temperature of the whole house. It's always been like that, but yeah, I was real hot, so I came in here to cool off while I record for y'all. The kids running around and stuff, so it's a little too noisy for me, and I just didn't want all that background noise in the video. So today we are filming in the closet. I am gonna switch my whole position and my whole angle once I do the try on portion, so just stay tuned for that part. But so first I'm gonna be showing y'all the shoes and telling y'all what I like and don't like. If y'all watched my haul from last summer, I did already get the blue sorry y'all, the blue and white pair of these, but they were too small, so I did size up, and these are a win. I love the colorway. They're very comfortable, and I'm much happier with this pair, although I do think I want to go back and repurchase the blue and white in my correct fit. So these are the sandals. These are the 222 Banda Aster 4 in pink, light gray, and white. It says unisex and made in China. Y'all know the lighting in this angle is not the best, but bear with me. So that's that. I only got like 4 pairs of sandals to show y'all because your girl is already getting suited and booted for the summer. I know it's cold right now, but trust me, before we know it, it's gonna be back hot. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and start getting ready for the, you know, the warm weather or whatever. Next, your girl got these for a steal. I mean a steal. I've been seeing these since like the end of last summer. Fire. So I first saw them in one of Kyra's videos, Kyra Aminique, and hers were actually from Nasty Gal, but I'm already familiar with Shop Akira. I love Shop Akira. I happened to be on the Shop Akira site, and I saw that these babies were on sale. Y'all see the price. Y'all see the original price. I believe they are still on sale for $10. I had started seeing them different places online. Like, I haven't seen anybody actually wearing them like on Instagram or anything, but I've been seeing these. So this is the shoe. I just really love how this whole top, the whole basically shoe is like a caged type thing. So your toes is doing like a peekaboo, and then of course you would just wrap these around your legs. I like that these particular ones have the rhinestones on them. I needed a black heel, a black summer heel, And I just thought that just the whole design of this shoe and the concept, to me, fire. I think I'm probably gonna get these in every color. Guess I should pull the other one out. I just want to add my voice. Something just dropped, but sorry. Okay, so these are both shoes, and they fit me perfectly because, of course, if you're not new here and you true here, you already know. Of course, I already opened the stuff before I let y'all see it. Sorry, I just be so thirsty. I can't wait. So the next pair of shoes. Now, I was fiending for these too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold y'all. I was dying to have a pair of these shoes in this specific color. So as y'all can see, the shoes from Ego shoes. And let me just I mean, what's it giving? Because I feel like these are just giving everything. I believe this is Tiffany blue. Automatically giving me vacation vibes. Like, what's the destination? Because these have to get seen. So yes, these are obviously a dupe of the Bottega Veneta lace up heel from Ego. Last but not least, I have been eyeing these since last summer. The glow green Yeezy. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. These are dupe. Because who feel like dealing with the hassle and the prices on GOAT and everywhere else with these resellers? Because I know I don't. So yeah, I got these. I don't know if y'all can see the inside tag. But yeah, it says US 6, UK 6, something 39, made in China, and then it has Adidas with a what is it called? A little code thingy, barcode. So yes, that is those. So now I'm gonna just give y'all a general idea of how all the shoes fit and let y'all see them on foot. Okay, so I got the first pair of shoes on that I'm gonna be trying, and I did tie them in two different ways. So if you get strappy shoes and you don't really know what to do with the straps or how to tie them, I have one coming up higher on my leg, and I just did like a little knot in the front. And then on the other one, I kept it lower and did like a bow, like how you would tie your shoe. So the detail is so pretty on these. The rhinestones do have a lot of sparkle to it. And of course, you could play with the toe part however you want. I don't particularly care for my whole big toe to be out right here. So I took this little piece and put it like over like that. But that's these shoes. Yeah, now y'all can really see the shine. Period. Shine bright like a diamond. But yeah, absolutely obsessed with these shoes. That is these so far, very comfortable. Next, we got the Kappa slides. So I have them on now. My heel is not hanging off the back of the shoe like it was when I brought the blue and white ones. Very comfortable, very cushiony. Like I said, I love the colorway. So that is, you can adjust both sets of straps however you need it. Perfect fit. Like, I just feel like they cuff my feet perfectly. Very comfortable. Last but not least, we got the Bottega dupes. Obsessed. I'm really loving the whole square toe look. Only thing is, I'll be too lazy to return stuff, and these are a little big, so I have space in the back. Luckily, I can tie it, so I kind of finessed it, but I'm not sure if you can really tell that they kind of big. So yeah, I got that space in the back, which does bother me. So I probably will only wear these with like pants or leggings. But I love the color and the shoe in general. And that is it for my first little summer shoe haul. Thank y'all for watching. I will see y'all in the next video.